I've been searching all along. Every answer turns to sky. Every goodbye teaches why. I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away. My heart was never built to stay in one place. I'm like a bird, the wind knows my name. If I leave tonight, I'll still love you the same. Flowers fading, seasons change, nothing ever stays the same. Some are born to build a home, some are born to roam alone. If tomorrow calls my name, I will follow without shame. Not because I don't care, but because my soul lives there. And every tear becomes a sea, every road becomes a key, every fear becomes a flame, leading me where I became. I'm like a bird, I'll only fly away, still searching for the place where my heart can stay. I'm like a bird above the pain and rain. If I leave tonight, remember me the same.